Hey, what's up, honeycrunchers? It's me, Jham, and welcome back to honeycrunch321. Halloween is fast approaching, and so is my birthday. So I decided to do a nail art with one of my favorite Studio Ghibli films. And my favorite film is Spirited Away. Therefore, here's my Kaonashi, aka No Face inspired nail art. First, I'm applying 2 coats of my favorite peel-off base coat onto my natural nails. Then I'm applying white nail polish. After letting it to dry, I'm applying a black nail polish. Then I'm applying a holographic top coat to all of my nails except for my middle nail. Now I'm painting Kaonashi on my middle nail. I'm using acrylic paints for all of the detailed paintings. After all of that, I'm applying a thick layer of top coat. If you guys enjoyed today's video, don't forget to hit like, share this video to your awesome friends, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram to get the latest updates and more. And that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Stay safe. Bye!